Bust it.
Blow your head off just for asking who's the one rapping. Who pow? Time for some action.
Una piccola comunicazione di servizio prima di cominciare ufficialmente con questa puntata di Bust Open. Ho deciso di dare il via al Bust Open Gaming Month, un mese interamente dedicato alle migliori tracce hip hop contenute nelle colonne sonore dei videogiochi con i quali sono cresciuto, e quindi è il momento di creare la giusta atmosfera. Ora ci siamo. Abbiamo voluto... Ma perché parla il plurale? Allora, innanzitutto le presentazioni, perché è sempre giusto farle. Questa è Bust Open su Radio Onde Furlane. Io sono il vostro conduttore, presentatore, anfitrione, padrone di casa, DJ Park, e vi do il benvenuto a questa nuova puntata che abbiamo deciso di chiamare... Sì, abbiamo deciso al plurale, io e i miei molteplici io, signore, Bust Open Underground, in onore a Tony Hawk Underground, uno dei più bei videogiochi su cui ho avuto il piacere di passare innumerevoli giornate, pomeriggi, anni, gioco che da bravo DJ possiedo in doppia copia. E quindi, senza ulteriori indugi, partiamo subito con la canzone che ci dà il benvenuto in questo videogioco, che è A Day of the Races dei Jurassic 5.
Music power.
Yo, my method for my musical madness, move and motivate those with musical talents. Read it in bold print, we holding it down. Lick a shot, hip hop when we in your town. Master blast the sound, creep the future funk from here and now with style. Release, increase the peace, bubble with the beat till they feeling the heat in the streets. Now each one, teach one, each one, young gun on one. Listen to the warriors drum. Beating up the block with the ghetto hop that knock and make you wanna crash the spot and the lock explode. The alpha and the mega code with drum rolls and old soul we uphold and foretold your scores of 6 years ago. Fast flow from G-rap to cool mode, super syllable, major to the minimal. Every individual bounce to the tempo, yo. Lungs collapsing, raps be trapped in. The only way to make it happen, jaw japping fast.
Yo,
rapping.
I'm the hot dog, the runner, hottest monologue install, poetic inserts and yes y'all. My speech is like holding 2 blocks apiece. The outreach that rock police, the super Avenger member tenor, Poseidon adventure swimmer, rewrite the Emmy winner, get hype off any printer, and I came to get it, hit it like Operation Push, operate the tush, black octopus, the soul, and interstellar planet patrol, a planet my goal, and lo and behold, it's the rubber dog, ready to rock, it don't stop, hops, I knock like the lumberjack, chop, the wordsmith, I write it block letters, a curse with circus, service, surface, and watch how the brother get over, the fly casting over with the frankincense odor.
Bear witness, don't wear bridges and make career bitches. Share pictures when the ears get this. Your brains and software glitches. Splatter your brains, leave scattered remains of matter and stains. That'll explain how you was battered and slain. I get rude and go to your show and use a row of fans to boo and throw you off till you lose your flow. A pro mean that Joe Green when I blow steam. Put your whole team on pause, they cold cream. They show laughter when the flow faster. Your whole have to go after her weed from the breeze when the blow past you. I'm dapper plus ghetto and just pedal. When the dust settle, we left in the rubble and the crushed metal. Nurses with hearses, sit like a verse with lit hearses. Spit fire, make it burst a bit. Try me like a Sama or Dama. I'm a cause trauma and homicides when a collider can kamikaze.
Kane, baby, walk hard to PJs. On streets of Brooklyn, I'm a crew of D-Seps. On streets of LA, I'm a whole East set. On tracks with Jurassic, I be the T-Rex. Still that Gucci dressing, still that coochie pressing. My pimp game smooth to get some, I don't use discretion. Top 10s do be stressing, fuck explaining it, who's he testing? Physical form or physical forms, leave your ass shaking like a mystical song. Please, now what type of shit was you on? Cause man, to compress a nigga means one less a nigga. All I want is my niggas all recruiting to slimmy. All I want is my liver all polluted with Remy. Do it with any, bring it, I face off. Turn you out your league like Jordan was with baseball.
Your Majesty, word flash, photography, third class economy, blaze slash your artery, nerve gas, anatomy, blur past dramatically, herbs hash, my words splash, packed agility, never predictability, maneuvers of mine, fully designed, cause I'm true to the rhyme, we do the sublime, cracking your backbone, attacking you whack clones, vernacular writing exact, capital rap zone, the combat, verbal assault rifle, we fight like Stokely Carmichael, no, we just like you. Broken, ain't no telling what we might do. Ain't no joke. Provoke the right through. We first to see mercy with the king, Asiatic and Percy P. Ain't heard the worst of me. I'm to your chest 3D. Spit venom and burn your body like a STD.
Put a 20 on the next brother stepping to me wrong. I mess around and make a eulogy my theme song. This might seem wrong, but this is a mean song. Crushed like King Kong and just like ping pong. Back and forth, I spit, mile and toss. It's time to floss. My verbal affirmation is to always go off. When syllables slide, you'll be enjoying the vibe. When consider it pride, it's J5. With another deadly, deadly camera action, yo, we heavy, aim steady, slash machete, Maserati, engine ready, good and plenty, don't be petty, count the fatty and we jetty. Off to another city, what we do our nitty gritty. We wild like Serengeti, terror down like Stephen Zeddy. Get ready for the ride, verbally hang glide, right and stay tied. Missions inside, murderer worldwide, the stage of show 9.
E dopo questa traccia all'interno del gioco iniziava la nostra avventura nel New Jersey. Questa era A Day of the Races dal terzo disco dei Jurassic 5 e vedeva oltre ai nostri J5 anche Percy P e Big Daddy Kane. Giusto un pezzo delicato. Ora facciamo un salto indietro a un gioco che precedeva Tony Hawk's Underground, ovvero Tony Hawk Pro Skater numero 3. Uscito nel 2001, vede al suo interno una traccia degli House of Pain, gruppo che noi non dovremmo presentare e per questo non lo faremo. Questa è I'm a Swing It degli House of Pain, dalla colonna sonora di Tony Hawk Pro Skater 3.
Natural woman, cause I keep it coming. I'm the everlasting freestyle assassin with soul, and my goal is to bring a little passion to your girl's life like the Daily Soap. Throw her down on the bed and tie her up with ropes. Well, it's the funk back breaker, weed it up like Jamaica. Don't bring your woman to the party.
jail, son, but you hit the swap meet to get your hair and your nails done. Get off my sack, cause your shit is whack. You diss me and I'ma diss you back.
Pezzone degli House of Pain, questo era dal loro disco del 1988, Nothing Ever Was The Same. Solo un attimo che ci prepariamo come si deve. Allora, eccoci qua, perfetto. Scusate, Same As It Ever Was, ogni tanto mi confondo su queste parti qui. Pezzo prodotto dall'ottimo DJ Lethal, sopra il quale trovavamo appunto Danny Boy e Everlast. E noi adesso torniamo avanti su Tony Hawk Underground, su uno dei pezzi più particolari e belli di questa selezione. Noi siamo nel 2001, al microfono troviamo J-Live, questa è Bragging Rights Revisited. Noi consigliamo poi, una volta finita la puntata di Bust Open, di andare a recuperare le performance di questo pezzo fatte da J-Live, perché possiamo vederlo in azione sui giradischi, fare il cutting e il loop del sample mentre contemporaneamente rappa le sue strofe. Questa è Bragging Rights Revisited di J-Live dal suo disco del 2001 The Best Part.
Find the gram at the fours. You can scrape an inch below the turf. For what it's worth, my style's been developed in the core of the earth. The exhale's volcanic, the inhale is seismic. So brothers just panic when the live one arrives with the natural ability to run through your crew on 214, 213, to 212. In other words, from Dallas to LA to the place where Jay stay. Every day is Mayday, so you can talk your shit on how you're wetting MCs with mad blood stains. But I bet you can't stand the rain. I'm looking on your brain with the stain. Go back and reflect on my endeavors, black, I can't complain. It's like a raw deal, consistent with the way I make you feel. The end stay revealed, but the means I conceal. And those who try to steal get decapitated. You wanna snatch my H2O type flow? That shit evaporated. I displays my credentials over instrumentals, and my potential increases at the rate that's exponential. It's detrimental fucking with my thesis. The penetration's exact like amniocentesis. I rip your shit to pieces after draining out your fluid. My vocab is fluent, yours is evident to be intruent. I know you wanna make moves, but son, you best to take a second look before my night takes you up. Cause everybody rapping and only few can flow. So why the hell they trying to deal with live? I don't know. I handle true MCs on the block or at the show. So if you come with bull, yeah, keep it on the low. Cause yo, I got the hair splitting, self-written, unbitten style that leaves the competition running scared and shitting in their pants. You best to set it off, cause black, it ain't no second chance. Once I'm open, all you doing is hoping that the live one will put the mic down. But son, don't try to snatch it after. The laughter won't cease from the comparison. I dare you, son. Step around the booth when I'm on. The microphone magician says poof, you're going with the wind. There's no trace of your friends, cause you don't know where the beginning ends or where the end begins. But you see, that's the difference. You get sold, I get paid. Like I told you, can play. If you bold, they have to rain on your parade. You belong in special ed if you think you got it made. They live with the mic is like a chef with the blade. Cause suckers get sliced and sauteed. Yeah, you thought your shit was fly, but the flight was delayed. Because everybody rapping, but only few can flow. So why the hell they trying to deal with live? I don't know. I handle true MCs on the block or at the show. So if you come with bull, kid, keep it on the low. Yes, everybody rapping, but only few can flow. So why the hell they trying to deal with live? I don't know. I handle true MCs on the block or at the show. So if you come with bull, kid, keep it on the low. Cause yo, I take the brain matter of pretenders through my mental blender and then return to sender. My pen don't pretend to offend, I intend to render MCs hanging loose like a fender bender. I recommend, regardless of your gender, that you start fucking with J-Live from your agenda. And remember that whoever lends a helping hand to defend ya will get burnt to a cinder. As I end the reign of whack MCs with the suicidal tendencies, rendering me sick with the thoughts of killing enemies. But then I return to reality, metaphorically murdering MCs. When they battle me, you can't battle me. I'm not your average snake, slithering through the grass. I surpassed the serpent as I head to class. You consider me class as I wax that ass. Styles no joke, but you best believe I get
E rieccoci finalmente in onda. Oggi abbiamo qualche... Ok, questo sottofondo tratto da una delle demo della PlayStation 2, tanto per creare atmosfera, oggi è un po' belligerante e vuole più spazio di quanto ne meriti. Bragging Rights Revisited di J-Live dal suo disco del 2001 The Best Part. Voi siete sintonizzati sulle frequenze di Radio Onde Furlane all'ascolto di Bust Open. Come già consigliata appunto la visione della performance live di questo pezzo da parte di J-Live, perdonate il gioco di parole, sulla pagina Facebook di Bust Open potete trovare un link con J-Live alle prese con i giradischi e contemporaneamente il microfono per fare Bragging Rights. Un pezzo molto interessante perché il rap la fa veramente da padrone, dato che il beat è molto semplice, cutting di un sample di chitarra e poi un loop di batteria. Ed è proprio per questo che noi adesso passiamo a Tony Hawk Underground 2 con un pezzo che si basa unicamente su del grand rap e un loop di batteria. Il pezzo è leggendario e se siete attenti avete già capito che si tratta di Top Billing degli Audio 2.
Up a party, I feel no guilt. Gizmos cutting up for the suckers that's down with me. The one of us, that's how I feel. To be down, you must appeal to the two. We're rated R, we're gifted, and we're going far down the road to the bank. While I'm here, I'd like to thank Mom and Dad, they knew the time. Gizmo scratching, Milk D's rhyming, Milk is chilling. Is chillin', what more can I say? Top billin', that's what we get. Got it good, since you understood. Would you stop scheming and looking hard? I got a great big bodyguard, so step up if you wanna get hurt. Milky's gonna pull this skirt. I get money, money I got. Stunts call me honey if they feel real hot. That's how it is, you can ask Giz. I stole your girl while you were in prison. Assault. You was jealous, it's all your fault. Milk is chillin', Giz is chillin'. What more can I say? Top billin', that's what we get. Got it good, and since you understood, would you clap your hands? Your hands you clap. If your girl's out of place, it's your girl I slap. And if you're dumb, you ask why. I am from that do or die. The audio too, the two's audio. I got a brother and his name's Gizmo. Milk is chillin', Gizmo's chillin'. What more can I say? Top billin', that's what we get. Got it good, and since you understood, would you bite a rhyme if you dare? I get the paper, so I don't care. My contributions to this jam is confusing because I am Milk D stated all the way. The super easy modest MC, okay. Yes, I'm down by law. I get the girlies out on the floor. G is D, down is G. To the at the top is where he'll be. At is us, call us odd. Girls come in, you won't be bored. Milk is chillin', Gizmo's chillin'. What more can I say? Top billin', that's what we get. Got it good, and since you understood, would you do a dance? Dance the two. If you can dance, it's easy to do. This dance is on and on and on. Dancing till your breath is gone.
E rieccoci in onda. Top billing degli Audio 2. Io vorrei fare una piccola correzione di un dato che vi ho dato, perdonate il gioco di parole, poco fa. Il pezzo degli House of Pain era del 1994, mentre è naturalmente top billing degli Audio 2 ad essere un pezzo del 1988. Noi ora torniamo di nuovo su Tony Hawk's Underground con una traccia stavolta esclusiva fatta apposta per il gioco, ovvero King of the Underground di R.A. The Rugged Man.
Yeah, we gonna do it all day. Yo, what you looking at, man? Yo, come on. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. I'm the king of the underground. Yo, and yo, meet this street kid, peep this, we the deepest, ain't no weakness, we thrill seekers, freak this, skateboard tricks, we up in the mix, see the wild out clicks, doing ollie the kick flips, the way we flip the scripts, all the neighborhood chicks, they got style, they like the way we get up, wow, I'm nose grabbing, body slamming, air walking, street talking, no shamming, rugged manning, Tony Hawkin, a skateboarding, Michael Jordan, you better back up off or we street rebels, trouble always attract us. Cops harass us, but too bad they can't catch us. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. Money earning is no concerning. Suburban, urban, brain dead, never learning. In your hood lurking. You wanna be down? Hold up. No heart, no guts, no rough. No, you not rolling with us. We fall off boards, break bones, get cut up. Twist ankles, get bloody, but we get right up. Leave, twist, pop, shove it. Yeah, we in your neighborhood, and you jealous cause you know your girl love it. And now, don't try to tell me how to live my life. They say I'm thick in the head. Yeah, you probably right. I'ma skate till I die. Skate till I got nothing left. I'ma skate till I take my last breath. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. Be afraid, stay inside and punk, keep hiding. Graffiti riding, half pipe rail sliding. Forget 9 to 5 no license, forget driving. Never mind, yeah, we straight grinding. One day I get a company to come and sponsor me. I think I got something for the whole world to see. I'm the original gangster, OG. Even if most of the people out there don't know me. We be the streets athletes, don't sweat our techniques. Boombox blasting, bumping hip hop beats. Rap around, y'all come on and peep out the sound. My man Tony Hawk, bring it from the underground. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. I'm the king of the underground.
C'era un po' di tempo fa sulla pagina Facebook di Array the Ragged Man un post dedicato a questo brano, dicendo infatti che venne avvicinato dal team dietro allo sviluppo del videogioco di Tony Hawk e che spesso la gente ancora ai concerti lo ferma per dirgli che hanno scoperto la sua musica tramite a questo fantastico videogioco. Videogioco che, per carità, i giochi di Tony Hawk non sempre sono stati un esempio di realismo. È difficile che uno riesca a sopravvivere agganciandosi, non si sa bene come, al retro di una macchina con lo skateboard per prendere velocità e poi fare tutti i trick. Al di là di quante volte saremmo dovuti essere morti con tutte le cadute che abbiamo fatto con questo gioco, ma questo è un dettaglio squisitamente secondario. Tony Hawk Underground, un gioco che ci ha regalato delle perle tipo la missione: ok, fai questa trick tenendo la tavola appiccicata ai piedi mentre fai un avvitamento mortale su te stesso dal tetto di un hotel sopra un elicottero in volo. Non sto scherzando, davvero, nel gioco questa era una delle missioni, uno dei momenti più epici di tutto il franchise Tony Hawk. Oltre ad un senso di libertà veramente notevole per un gioco uscito nel 2003. Ti dava il permesso finalmente di scendere dalla tavola, c'erano degli elementi di parkour come arrampicarsi sui tetti e quant'altro. Però, ragazzi, Bust Open, ahimè, è un programma di musica e dobbiamo andare avanti a parlare di musica. Magari un giorno parliamo con Onde Furlane per farci dare anche uno spazio dedicato ai videogiochi, chissà. Già che si parlava di persone che hanno scoperto la musica di Array the Ragged Man tramite Tony Hawk, arriviamo alla mia personale scoperta per eccellenza tramite questo gioco, che è DJ Qbert. Perché DJ Qbert compare in questo gioco sia nella colonna sonora con questo pezzo, che è Cosmic Assassins dal suo Wave Twisters, ma è anche fisicamente presente nel videogioco come elemento dello scenario a screcciare durante una gara di skateboard. Questa è Cosmic Assassins da Wave Twister di DJ Qbert.
Get set up.
Now sit your ass in the back.
Io non so gli ascoltatori sintonizzati che hanno giocato a questo gioco dove si immaginano di più questo pezzo. Io sinceramente mi trovo, quando sento questo pezzo, inizio di livello a Tampa, Florida, vicino allo strip club. Questa era Cosmic Assassins di DJ Qbert dal suo disco Wave Twisters, sempre all'interno della colonna di Tony Hawk's Underground. Rendetevi conto un po' adesso del livello serio a cui si teneva la colonna sonora di questo videogioco, che peraltro ha anche dei grandi pezzi anche per quanto riguarda le selezioni più rock e più punk. Ma Bust Open è un programma hip hop e di hip hop dobbiamo parlare, no? Visto che abbiamo giocato l'asso per eccellenza degli scratch che è DJ Qbert, sempre nello stesso disco troviamo un suo compagno di malefatta all'interno degli Invisible Scratch Pickles, ovvero D-Styles. D-Styles screccia all'interno di questa traccia del rapper Bus Driver, che per il suo sample letteralmente classico, perché viene dalla badinerie di Bach, il buon Bus Driver ci regala del rap e delle rime a ritmo veramente frenetico, finché a un certo punto, dopo uno skit di relax, diciamo, non entra a bomba di Styles che sul fresh ci screccia il quinto capriccio di Niccolò Paganini. Visto che la cosa sta diventando troppo nerd, lasciamo parlare la musica Imaginary Places di Bus Driver dal suo disco d'esordio Temporary Forever.
Just here to hold your hand when you die, and to show you around imaginary places. Put many lumps in my bloody stump, and it will have a smile. There's a perfect circle. Die in your sleep with the sky at your feet. I'll treat you when you're happy on it, then you will find peace. How did you do? I don't know. I'm okay. Every person I know is a secret story agent. Cause I'm accused of lewd conduct. Stole the heart to rape her prom stud. And I got a woman for my arrest and put me in a little bit of funny problem. Cause I'm what I did, but I'm just trying to hold your hand when you die. There was not a single person who could do it better. No need to skip it in my ecosystem. But in the audience, me be leave a Christian HMO. How I hate himself. But it charged me for a halo. But I'm in a scavenger hunt for a bad for the chunk of the sky mirror. I will place it with a mud pie. But dead songs on the silk screen. By my shirt, it is a kill dream. It is not to lead away to the stairwell. To a God's administrative office and a final farewell. I'm just trying to hold your hand when you die. And again, you're a assault rifle up an banana clip. Glow in the dark when I stroll in the park. Giving everybody informative pamphlets. No sign of life for as far as I can see. Everybody just charged me to bend the car seat. Each should have died to the secret spy. Cause I have the funny feeling that I'm being watched. Money for our surveillance. Money or power or ailments. But it's a medical supply. City shipping in the hand when it is way too much. Cause I'm running out of life. I'm just here to hold your hand when you die. It's like up in the cough trapper right up on your soft spot. Make mushroom clothes out of your garden hills. Turn into a dead gas going to the air duct. She's out of love, but I thought that she was. She doesn't love me cause I don't have the right haircut. I misunderstood. I just fixed understood. But I will not apologize for anything that I say. My name is Mr. Bus Driver. This is the producer Paris. We did not have ever to admit it. We were purposing a bit of our own imaginary place.
Kids, if you want to piss off your parents, show interest in the arts. Kids, if you really want to piss off your parents, buy real estate in an imaginary place. Oh yes. Okay, alright, yeah. Whoa. Gotta do my shout outs now. Peace too. I'm just gonna hold your hand when you die. Purpose and dedicate will also be there too. Just gonna hold your hand when you die. And Mr. Get the send mums, the world will help you. Just gonna hold your hand when you die. There's a fellowship and abstract rule will help you. I'm just gonna hold your hand when you die. To the Minute Empire Hip Hop Clan too. And I'm just here to hold your hand, dude. I'm just here to hold your hand when you. I'm just here to hold your hand when you die.
Il sample senza dubbio contribuisce a rendere unica e singolare questa traccia, credo sia la parola più appropriata. Questa era Imaginary Places di Bus Driver featuring DJ D-Styles. Non so se vi siete resi conto di che cosa ha combinato il buon D-Styles dopo quello, diciamo, quel bridge di Bus Driver, ma siamo veramente a livelli molto molto alti. E giunti a livelli così alti, perché scendere? Passiamo la palla a uno dei migliori freestyler della storia, ovvero Supernatural. E se volete capire di cosa sto parlando, beccatevi le sue sfide contro Craig G in freestyle su YouTube. Anzi, ne approfitto per dirvi che dovrebbe uscire, credo, oggi a mezzanotte, OGs del produttore sardo The Weeza, che vede l'MC Craig G accompagnato da niente poco di meno che il nostro Nicolas Fantini E-Green, e su 2 tracce gli scratch di DJ Schizo, una collaborazione italo-americana, sarebbe sbagliato, però possiamo dire Italia, Sardegna, Milano, New York, che fa veramente piacere, che troverà sicuramente spazio nelle prossime puntate di Bust Open. Noi quindi continuiamo il nostro viaggio nelle colonne sonore di Tony Hawk Underground e non, con Internationally Known di Supernatural.
I have traveled the planet and touched many foreign lands. From the streets of London to the African sands, I've always had a plan to make money expand. I can't count how many times mic's been in my hand. Who would ever thought that I would have so many fans? That's why I rock like every time is my last stand. I remember growing up as a country boy. I never dreamed I'd have a gift that bring me me so much joy. Now I'm a globetrotter, passport, majorly stamped. Give me 25 minutes, crowd majorly amped. Whether I go on third, second, or first, I'm not gonna stop till I take over the earth. So that's why I rock and make places my own. I've traveled the planet just to serve fakers and clones. When it comes to this mic, I'll never leave it alone. That's how I got the rep, I'm internationally known.
Internationally known.
It's like traveling all over the world, many different places,
Internationally known.
just to lace the mic. I live for the game,
Internationally known.
international man of danger. Let's go.
Internationally known.
No matter where I've been, whether abroad or the States, when I'm in the place, they always recognize the face. The way the mic gets laced with impeccable taste. I'm known for stealing the show and leaving without a trace. And after that, it's back to the bus of the plane to puff a few L's with tuna, play the video game. Next state, next place, next mic, next flight. No matter how tired, the show must be tight. So I'll rock for any crowd, whether you're black or you're white. This shit is easy to me, like riding a bike or flying a kite. Most deadliest on the mic. I'm like the king cobra with a poisonous strike. You know,
Internationally
live for
known.
the game. Worldwide traveler,
Internationally known.
the b-boy rolling, touching many different
Internationally
chords.
known.
My mic's for hire.
Internationally
Let's
known.
go. When I was in Japan, they was yelling Ichiban. For those that don't know, that means I'm number one. When I was in Paris, before I sit and eat a beat, I would pull up a seat and say bon appetit. The game got two flavors, one bitter, one sweet. We ain't never gonna stop till the mission complete. When I was in Africa, I was revered as a king. This is the year where they kneel and kiss the ring.
Internationally known.
I live for the game. I never let the game take me under.
Internationally known.
Forever I will remain internationally known. Killing all clones and
Internationally
fakers.
known.
This is brought to you by DJ Rhythmatic, Big Junkie Sound, Super Nat, for the 2.2.
Internationally known. Internationally known. Internationally known. Known.
Internationally Known di Supernatural su Radio Onde Furlane. Questo brano usciva da una, più che un album, possiamo chiamarlo una compilation di tracce registrate in studio da Supernatural, e peraltro continua il legame un po' tra gli artisti, perché da DJ Qbert tramite gli Invisible Scratch Pickles siamo passati a Bass Driver e D-Styles, e da D-Styles tramite il Beat Junkie Sound siamo passati a Supernatural, che in questa traccia è accompagnato da DJ Rhythmatic dei Beat Junkies. Ora noi deviamo per un'ultima volta, prima di restare fino alla fine sui binari di Tony Hawk's Underground, con Project 8. Project 8 è un gioco di Tony Hawk uscito per PlayStation 2 e PlayStation 3 nel 2006-2007. C'era qualcosa che cominciava un po' a vacillare, la magia dei primi anni cominciava un po' a svanire, ma la colonna sonora restava comunque di alto livello. Questa traccia che passeremo adesso è di Charisma, MC americano scomparso nel 1993, e Peanut Butter Wolf, fondatore della Stones Throw Records. Questo lavoro fa parte di una serie di tracce che i due hanno registrato fra il 91 e il 93, prima della morte di Charisma, e che sono state pubblicate a 10 anni dalla morte di quest'ultimo. Per cui questa è Dedication di Peanut Butter Wolf e Charisma. Devotion, scusate.
Devotion.
Hello, sweet, how you been?
Fine, what have you been doing?
Making ends with my friends, cooling, roaming the streets, making beats harder than concrete, from pins to pads the techniques. I haven't been around, though in the essence I'm there. My days are sunny, but I'm like sunny without the share. I got feelings for you, I got feelings for some other friends. When will the madness end? I can't be faithful from the start. I feel like heart attack, so I'll be brave, breaking hard hearts. Pops told me to watch my hoes. Oh, at the rainbow, there may not be a pot of gold. No freeing myself for cutie pies on the jot. I warn her, but like a fugitive, don't want to get caught. My girl don't know I'm skis and having fun.
Man, let's not caught up in this, man. Love skins.
My girl does know I'll be her mad love shogun. It's hard to stop cheating, yeah, I'm devious. Girls don't trust me because of my previous. One or the other, I must take a pick. But if push comes to shove, I'll go back to my old tricks.
Devotion. Devotion. Devotion.
Next thing I know, all these hoes is out boasting. News went back and forth throughout the streets. Girls like Roadrunner, giving me beats. Relationships coming, yeah, I'll kick the habit. But just as I am, I know I want a tad bit. It comes and goes, as I can clearly see. Right now you can hear me, but can you really hear me? Mixed up in the shuffle, so have an open mind. Somebody, some fool, TikTok at sometimes. All this chaos from the girls I hurt.
He loves me.
You got a helps like a mini skirt. No one knows where the rainbow ends up. So what makes you think I'm out for a quick hop out the window? My mom stopped to snore, knowing I got another girl at the front door. The dominoes theory. One falls, two falls, I'm down. No hoes come around and I belong in a dog pound. Saying I ain't, and I'm not giving up loving. Yo, I got my music, so girls stop bugging.
Devotion. 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 Devotion.
I got it. My girl left me. Damn, charisma don't bug. But she's with another man. I can't have another kid taking what's rightfully mine. She played me, put me on pause, and now she rewinds. I got a taste of my own medicine. I'm hesitant. She won't let me visit a residence. I'm crushed, but it was coming to me though. She reversed it up on me like a game of Uno. All my tramps scrammed. I'm feeling sad and blue. Oh, what did I get myself into? I should have known that this girl was the one. Cause if she had beef, I let her pack my only gun. Only one, only two, three, I ran game. Neglected so many girls that I'm in the Hall of Fame. But that's nothing to be proud of when you and that one's apart. I gotta go back to the start.
Man, I don't know, man. I just gotta take it day by day.
Bye-bye.
Devotion. 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 Devotion.
Devotion di Charisma e Peanut Butter Wolf dalla colonna sonora di Tony Hawk Project 8. Quindi una piccola digressione, ma da qui in poi, ragazzi, fino alla fine di questa puntata restiamo sui binari di Tony Hawk Underground. Io ne approfitto per mandare un saluto a chi ci sta ascoltando, Laura Sins, l'ottimo Quarash direttamente da Londra, per cui le frequenze di radio Onde Furlane suonano forti anche oltre Manica, e anche Giada the Mocha, una delle mie più care amiche, e questa puntata ci tenevo particolarmente che fosse all'ascolto perché uno degli elementi fondamentali della nostra amicizia agli albori fu proprio la passione condivisa per questo meraviglioso videogioco. Noi adesso andiamo avanti con un pezzo degli Herbalizer featuring MF Doom, It Ain't Nothing.
It ain't nothing like hip-hop music. It ain't nothing like a fistful of cash or a bliss full of the hash that twists like a mustache. From end to end, spread it like a rash. From talking through your Walkman or at your disco bash. Give me the Tim's Rumpelstiltskin brown, a metal face mask with a built-in frown, a mic to tilt down 100,000 pounds, and see how kilt sound like spilt milk, clown. Cocoa butter on a very ashy day, fam. Ray-Bans out on the islands of Cayman. I break it down for the layman. Band-Aid Soleil for the Central Pay. Tan, a can of old gold, too cold to hold, slow your roll. Keep on moving like soul to soul, hold the dough. Like a fool stole pity y'all for trying to go up against City Hall titty ball. The black mic is like a red violin. Okay, everybody back to the lab, try again. Rap game like Leviathan, leave bad taste, killing my high like niacin. Stop kidding, middlemen need Ritalin. Hit me with the full tin and tin and I'm a kid again. Keep the bong lighting straight through the song writing. The super villain, aka the thong biting, is inviting all to the reciting that's dope and raw. Hoping all y'all come in peace and it's open bar. Tear the roof off this bumper rise cloud by the end of the night. Spaz like shot spot. Spilt a shot, made the pen lines runny. A ill plot 10 times Ben Stein money. Funny how he ripped the scripts with a straight face, with more rhymes than his lines in your database. Placing rappers in endangerment who's reckless. With this food for thought, sorta like breakfast. You can mark it off as wreck on the checklist. Wear gold fronts, can't afford no necklace. Should that 10 go to help building daycares? Somebody say yeah, pay your fears. Give the herbalizers their shares, and y'all can pay Doom and beers. Cheers.
It ain't nothing like hip hop music, non c'è niente come l'hip hop, ragazzi. Questi erano gli Herbalizer con MF Doom, solo su Bust Open su Radio Onde Furlane. Noi da qui alziamo ancora il livello, perché è stata veramente una puntata di quelle scoppiettanti, con uno degli MC e produttori più folli che esistano sulla faccia del pianeta e legato indissolubilmente a MF Doom. Avete capito di chi sto parlando? Sto parlando di Madlib, che in una delle tracce più fighe presenti nella colonna di Tony Hawk Underground ci caccia Low Class Conspiracy, Quasimodo dal disco di Unseen.
Hey, little cars, why don't you run it down? How them little piggies be trying to run.
Hey, yo, we heading to a party to go see what's happening. Smoking the law in the car, turn on some rapping. Start the freestyle, we be up on our way. Finish up the blunt.
Somebody pass me that spray.
Get on the freeway, yo, it's after dark. And guess who always pulls up right behind the can, some narcs. Letting all kinds of speeding cars pass, just so he can harass our black ass. Police pulling us over for no reason. Searching the car like it's nigga hunting season. Yeah, round. Asking about where's the pound? Where's the guns? Are y'all niggas on the run? You got warrants? Y'all niggas ready for some torment? That's how they be cracking. It seems like they be acting, except it's real life, like they rushing up your residence, searching your crib. They can't find no evidence. Man, this stuff is making me mad, man. I'm saying, man, I ain't tripping. Man, I'm about to do something. Tired of these pigs harassing every day, man. The other day, Mr. Buddha had this plan. Get grands off the man, so our whole crew could expand. They all wanted me to drive the getaway. I was like, fuck it, cause I ain't got no dough anyway. They straight planned it right in my garage. Thinking large, putting together the entourage. My niggas straight hit the bank, then broke the hell out. So much money you couldn't even get that smell out. I got laced with 30 G's to keep him freeze. But some nigga riding so 5-0s on the breeze. Police talking about where's the dead presidents. Said fuck y'all, niggas ain't got no evidence.
Low Class Conspiracy di Quasimodo. Ragazzi, che traccia, penso una delle mie preferite dalla colonna sonora di questo gioco. È difficile fare una cernita delle più belle, ma sicuramente devo metterci per forza di cose questa. Mi immagino fare uno spacewalk mentre sono in manual, mentre questa canzone suona di sottofondo. Noi a questo punto penso che abbiamo tempo per... vediamo un po' quanti pezzi riusciamo ancora a cacciare. Datemi solo un secondo che ci facciamo un po' di calcoletti. Allora, 7 per 8, 48, 97, 92. La canzone a sorpresa dura. Allora, a questo punto noi passiamo un grande classico del rap. Sforiamo di qualche minuto, non ci interessa. Da Illmatic, disco d'esordio di Dancer Jones, sempre dalla colonna sonora di Tony Hawk Underground, The World Is Yours di Nas.
Yours, the world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
I sip the Don P, watching Gandhi till I'm charged and writing in my book of rhymes. All the words past the margin. The whole of mic I'm throbbing. Mechanical movement, understandable smooth shit that murderers move with. The thief's theme. Play me at night, they won't act right. The fiend of hip hop has got me stuck like a crack pipe. The mind activation, react like I'm facing time like Pappy Mason. With pins I'm embracing, wipe the sweat off my zone, spit the phlegm on the streets. Suede Timbs on my feet makes my cipher complete. Weather cruising in a 6 cab, I'm on Taro Jeep, I can't call it. The beats make me falling asleep, I keep falling, but never falling 6 feet deep. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Say what?
I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Say what?
I'm out for dead presidents to represent me.
Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
To my man Ill Will, God bless your life. To my peoples throughout Queens, God bless your life. I trick Reeboks on crazy bitches, aiming guns and all my baby pictures. Beef with housing police, release scriptures that's maybe Hitler's. Yet I'm the mal money, getting style, rolling foul. The versatile honey, sticking wild, golden child, dwelling in the rotten apple. You get tackled, a caught by the devil's lasso. Shit is a hassle. There's no days for broke days. We selling smoke pays while all the old folks pray to Jesus, soaking their sins in trays. A holy water, odds against nods and slaughter. Thinking the word best describing my life. To name my daughter my strength. My son and star will be my resurrection. Born in correction, all the wrong shit I did. He'll lead in right direction. How you living larger, broker, charge cards are mediocre. You flipping coca, playing spit spades and strip poker.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
Yo, the world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
I'm the young city bandit, hold myself down single-handed. For murder raps, I kick my thoughts alone, get remanded. Born alone, die alone, no crew to keep my crown a throne. I'm deep, I sound alone. Cave inside 1,000 miles from home. I need a new nigga for this black cloud to follow. Cause while it's over me, it's too dark to see tomorrow. Trying to maintain, I flip, fill the clip to the tip. Picturing my peeps, now the ink can make my heartbeat skip. And I'm amped up, they lock the champ up. Even my brains in handcuffs, headed for Indiana, stabbing women like the Phantom. The crew is lamping, Big Willie style. Check
check the chip to smell. Plus I profile well, stash looted flock clothes, burning dollars, delight my store, walk the blocks with a bop. Checking Danes plus the games people play, bust the problems of the world today.
It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
It's yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
It's yours. Yeah, alright. Tell everybody in Queens.
Con questa traccia possiamo considerare ormai concluso questo viaggio che ci ha fatto patire nel New Jersey, ci ha fatti arrivare a Manhattan, a Tampa in Florida, a San Diego in California, fino a Vancouver, le Hawaii, Mosca, tutti i livelli che sono stati toccati in questo meraviglioso videogioco della Neversoft. Un videogioco che ha unito alcuni di noi, che ci ha fatto passare davvero tante ore di fantastico gioco. La puntata di Bust Open si chiude qui, io ringrazio tutti voi per esservi sintonizzati all'ascolto sempre su Radio Onde Furlane, ma mi permetto una piccola digressione in chiusura, tanto per chiarire il punto che il programma è mio e ci faccio quello che voglio. Una volta finito Tony Hawk Underground, finita la storia, c'era un livello aggiuntivo con una certa band che con l'hip hop non c'entra niente, ma siccome noi abbiamo dedicato questa puntata al videogioco, la passiamo così. God of Thunder dei Kiss a Bust Open su Radio Onde Furlane. Il livello di Tony Hawk era Hotter Than Hell e ci salutiamo così. Alla prossima settimana con la puntata dedicata a Mark Echo's Getting Up.
To